Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Shardemarie if you are new here. And from the title of the video, we are doing our February Boxycharm unboxing. I recently got my box in the mail, so here we are. So if you want to see the contents of the items that I got in my Boxycharm, then to continue to keep watching. Alright guys, so let's get into this video. So I got my Boxycharm and the theme of the box is love. It's the month of love. So we are, I guess, doing a love box. But in my box, because I know I've seen one other person's video of their Boxycharm, and obviously they were sponsored. I'm not sponsored. I paid for Boxycharm myself. So the items that they got are not necessarily the same items that I got. So that's one thing I really do love about Boxycharm. Everybody gets a little bit of something different, something new in their box compared to having a box that everybody has the same thing. So in my box, I have 3 makeup items and 2 skincare items. So the first item that I have in this box is the Ace Beauty. It's either Ace Beauty or Ace Beauty. I'm gonna go with Beauty. I don't know. But this is what's in my box, and it's the Nastalia Palette. And I love the packaging. It's so gorgeous. And as you can see, my face is done because I did take a look in the box to see what items I had, so I know what I needed to do and what I not needed to do. So this is the palette here, and it comes with a huge mirror, and then these are the colors. So it's very fall appropriate, but it also gives you hints of color that you can wear during the spring and summertime. So we'll be using this today, Alvi. And then this is a new brand that I've never heard of, and apparently it's a new launch as well. It's the St. Luxe Lip Liner Duo. Oh, let me tell you how much the palette is. So the Ace Beauty palette is $38.99, and the Lip Liner Duo is $40. So these are what the lip liners look like. They're really pretty. They have like this pearlescent cover and like rose gold writing, and I got the color Love Letter and Secret Admirer, which look like there are 2, like this is a brown and this is like a reddish brown. So okay, so my pencil and Love Letter came like this. And this is the one I think I wanted to use. I mean, I think you can just, I don't know if it's, I mean, there's nothing in here, so I don't think it's stuck, but, okay. Well, that's fun with that. Let me see about this one. Why are these so hard to get off? Okay. So this one is good to go. And this is a brown. So yeah, maybe I'll just use that one instead. But this is the brown. And this is the color again, Secret Admirer. So I probably just have to sharpen Love Letter. But yeah, so that's that. And the last makeup item I got is from Wander Beauty. It's the Double Date Lip and Cheek Balm. So this is what this looks like. So up top is the sheer tint cheek color. It's a balm, so it's very balmy. And I would have used this, but I already did my face. So this is what the lip, the cheek balm looks like. So I will obviously put this on before I do any powder. But like I said, I already powdered my face, so I can't use that. And then it's double. So then the second one is the balm. So I will be using this just to moisturize my lips before we put on our lip color. And yeah, so the Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek is $22. So that's that. Now for the two skincare items. So I have this Libido Inspired by Nature Age Away Hydrating Cream. It's an evening primrose seed. It has evening primrose seed, sea buckthorn, and pumpkin seed. It's to firm, hydrate, and repair. And this is meant for dry and mature skin. So this is what this looks like. And the Libido Age Away Hydrating Cream is $55. And this is basically a moisturizer that is clinically proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, improve skin texture. So this is what this little bottle costs and looks like, and it is $55. It's only 50 milliliters. And this is $55. But the benefits are there's no mineral oil, no petroleum, no silicones, no propylene glycol, no parabens, no animal testing, no synthetic dyes, no synthetic fragrance, no PEGs, no SLS, no synthetic alcohol, or a word that I cannot pronounce. And then, yes, there's herbally effective, it's organic ingredients, essential oils, pure natural fragrance, recyclable, cold pressed oils, gluten-free, and vegan friendly. And this doesn't expire until July of 2023, so you can have this for a very long time. So yes, so the instructions says use circular motions, massage this deeply moisturizing age-defying moisture cream into slightly damp, freshly cleansed skin until absorbed. It's formulated for daily use, so you use AM and PM. I feel like this might be something I will use mainly during the nighttime because I have I feel like might be a heavy cream, and I have a moisturizer that I use during the daytime, which is my Neutrogena Hydro Boost. So it is very lightweight and moisturizing, I feel, for the daytime. Now during the nighttime, yes, I will want something heavier, so that's what I feel like this is what I'm going to use this for if I can get it open. So this is what the cream looks like. This one feels very lightweight. It does have like that natural fragrance smell, but I still feel like because it does all this hydrating and firming and all that other stuff, I just feel like I will use this more during the nighttime. And lastly, in my box, I got a skin essence. I never had a skin essence before, and I'm very excited. It's the Real Complexion Hyaluron Skin Essence, and this is $46. And the description says it's developed by inventors of K-Beauty's first BB cream. This hydrating essence helps you achieve glass skin with sodium hyaluronate, a powerful moisturizer capable of holding up to 1,000 times the weight in water. And this is what the bottle looks like, and it is a humongous. This is 300 milliliters. 300 milliliters. Like, oh my gosh, this thing is huge. But I'm excited to use this. I'm glad I'm getting skincare in my Boxycharm because, as you guys know, I am on a skincare journey of trying to get rid of these dark spots and improve my texture on my skin. So I'm excited about, you know, using all of these new products that I've got. So it's saying that to use this, use after washing the face and tidying up skin texture. Dispense an appropriate amount onto your palm and gently apply on the face in the direction of skin texture. I'm assuming upward. Just go upward. You know, that's all I can really say. And it says to use your palm, so I will be using my palm and not using a pad. So yeah, so this is a skin essence containing abundant moisture, makes facial complexion look moisturized and bright. It is formulated with hyaluronic acid. So I'm not sure the steps of when you're supposed to use the essence, because right now after I cleanse my face and I do my toner, I do put on a vitamin C oil brightening serum to help clear up my dark spots. And do you put the essence on before you do that or after you do that? I feel like you do it before you put on your vitamin C serum. That's what I feel like. So that was everything in my box. So now we're going to try to test out the beauty items, because like I said, I have to try these and I'll let you guys know, you know, a month from now, a couple of weeks from now, how they're working for me. Just to give you an update on the previous skincare items that I've used in my previous Boxycharms. So far I've been liking everything that I've been using. I switch up the eye treatment between the Elements and the Dr. Brandt. I've really been loving the Pharmacy BHA toner. I feel like it's doing wonders for my skin, and I can definitely see a difference compared to before. So far so good. So yeah, same with this. The next time I come back, I'll let you guys know how these items been working out for me. But yeah, now let's get into using these makeup products. Finished the eyes off camera. I just added mascara and lashes to the eye look, and I think it came out gorgeous. This is an epitome of the first day of fall makeup look, and it sort of kind of goes with the theme of this palette. Wasn't even planning on it, but I think it came out freaking bomb. I love this palette. It's probably my favorite thing out of this out of my box, only because again I haven't tried the skincare products, so I don't know how they're gonna go. But as far as the makeup goes, I think this palette is my absolute favorite. Only thing I wish that there was a deeper color transition color in here, because beach didn't really do nothing for me. But I mean, I used it anyway just to give the makeup something to adhere to and to make sure it blends in effortlessly. As you guys saw, I had to build up the popsicle color in the crease just a little bit, and I also had to double up on the shimmer color, which was fun. But all in all, I think it came out perfect. Love the pop of green, which is Theme Park, down below. And for the eyeliner, I used the color Hiking, which is like a reddish brown, which also matches my shirt. So yeah, I love it. And it's black owned. Come on now, sis. This is everything. Love it. So now let's try this balm. I mean, like I said, I can't use the cheek part because obviously my face is already done, but we can still use the balm and see how that goes for us. I mean, feels like a balm. No. Feels like a balm. It's not really moisturizing my lips though, but it's a balm all in all. Now onto the lip liner. So it's not super creamy, but it's workable. So if you want a super creamy lip liner, this is not gonna be it for you, but it is workable, and you know, it does what it needed to do. Now I'm going to take my lipstick in the color Lady from Juvia's Place. To go back over your lipstick with that lip liner and deepen it up if you need to. And yeah, I love it. Like I said, it's not the creamiest lip liner, and obviously I couldn't show you guys the other one because that one came broken, so I couldn't show you that one. But it was like a reddish brown, again similar to the top that I have on. So I mean, that lip liner probably would have went better with this whole aesthetic, but either way, I enjoyed it. So all in all, I really enjoyed my February Boxycharm. Obviously, like I said, my favorite thing in the box was this palette from Ace Beauty, and it's even better that it's black owned. So love it. So now let's add up everything. And the total of this, well actually I already added up everything. But the total of this box was Lord, I can't talk. $201.99, and you get this whole box for only $25. So you can't really beat that, especially since, again, I have skincare in my box, and skincare usually costs the most. That's the reason why these boxes are so high, but they are high end and they're much better for your skin than, you know, the lower brand or lower price products. But either way, I really enjoyed this box. Now, do I like it more than January's box? I don't really think I had a favorite in there, so I do think I like February's box more than January's, just because I actually have a favorite in this box, which is the palette. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got in my Boxycharm this month. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as turn on your post notifications to get notified when I upload my next video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.